Hello, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Today, I am back in Driving Empire, guys. So, if you remember in the last video we were in this game, I gave a full tour of my cars, cars, my house, the dealership, the city. Yeah, so there have been many updates in Driving Empire. So, in case you're wondering, today is Driving Empire's birthday. Which birthday is it again? Happy birthday, Driving Empire. Collect 10 cake slices to earn the go kart car. Well, don't mind if I do. So let's try to collect 10 cake slices, I think. So, as you remember, if you remember, guys, I have 5,495,353 dollars. In the last video, I had 1,500,900,000 dollars something. Pretty big improvement, I would say. So yeah, these are the new cars. There has McLaren Senna, McLaren 765 LT. Oh my god! 15 million McLaren Solus GT, McLaren 620R. Man. So, in case you're wondering, McLaren has been introduced in the new update. And when I joined the game, it told me to input the code of 1 million likes. Confetti license plate, guys. Well, what do you know? So yeah, pretty nice. So right now, I was just wondering, why don't we collect those cake slices in our new McLaren? Because I don't have a McLaren right now. I need to buy one. But I am rich in this game, man. I can buy one. Audi has come as well. Wow! There are Audis in this game. Oh man, I need to buy this. Let's buy that. Okay, Jaguar. I have this Audi RS3. We have Audis on this game. I'm so surprised because it's been a long time of me playing Driving Empire. We have Audis, guys. We have Audis. Let's purchase this real quick. Purchase this as well, man. Why not? I have Audis, man. I have Audi RS6. Oh my god. Let's get this as well. Why not? McLaren. Now let's see some McLaren. Audi R8. Oh man, Audi R8 Spider. Do we have the original Audi R8? Let me just search. Audi R8. Oh man, this is the Audi pack. Audi TTRS Coupe, man. These 160 grand. Oh, look at this thing, guys. Look at this TTRS Coupe. Oh man, this is good. This is nice. I need an R8, man. This is just so cool. Purchase. Man, I have such cool cars. I have money. I'm ready to, throw it all because, I was saving up to buy a Hennessy Venom F5. But who cares now? Just buy this as well. Oh, man. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. I have all the Audis. No, the RSQ8 is left. But who needs the RSQ8? Now let's get the McLarens. Look at these! Look at these guys! We have the McLaren F1 as well. Wow, man. Wow. Seriously, man. This is so cool. Otherwise, first it used to be copyrighted or something because, you know, Clarence Senna. Oh, but it cost a lot of money. 1,300,000. Oh, man. But it's so cool. You know, man, I can't waste so much money at a time. McLaren P1 570S, McLaren 600. Oh, let's buy the 570S. Why not? Let's go and get that. Woo! McLarens are expensive, man. McLaren 720S, 600 LT, 675 LT. This also looks so cool. I'm gonna buy it. Woo! I have bought so many cars just for you guys, man. Please like and subscribe, guys. Please, I've just, I, I had 5,900,000. I was about to make 6 million, and now I have. Oh man, this is sick. This is actually, I didn't know that Audis have also been introduced into this game. This is, man, this is cool. This is nice. Oh, let's. I spent I had 5,900,000 something. I spent 1 million, that leaves 4,900. I spent $1.4 million just to get these cars. Now let's open a car window. Oh, look at this, guys! Look at this! Let's test out these cars real quick. First of all, let's get in the Audi A6 limousine. Hmm, pretty nice. Look at this! Look at this beauty, man! Man, this is cool. So Audi A6, you have it. Um, this is the car. Looks pretty good in looks. Can open everything. I didn't even know that Audis were introduced into this game. Now, next car, the Audi RS3. Ooh, look at this beauty. I didn't even know that Audis were introduced. I'm just going crazy. Let's just collect something, some money. Yeah, pretty nice, I would say. Get a McLaren. Now let's get into the Audi R8. Look at this! And the best part about this, it's a spider. Look at this. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at this! Wow! Wow! Man, look at this. We have an actual Audi R8. Wow! Because you know the Audi R8 that came before in this game, it was total crap because it looked so bad because it wasn't a licensed car. Look at this thing. Look at this. Oh, let's go for a drive. Let's go take this for a spin. This is a great car to show off, guys. Oh man, let's drive it in manual. Went 360 something. Look at this beauty. I mean, just look at this car, guys. Ooh, I have an Audi R8. I have an actual Audi R8 in the game, guys. I'm going crazy. Actually, man, actually, this is. Look at this. I mean, look at this thing. It looks so cool. The engine, man. Look at that V10, naturally aspirated V10. Look at this car, guys. Because the Audi R8 that came before, as I told, was a total piece of crap. And this looks, just look at this beauty. Ugh. I just wish they introduced Lamborghinis in this game. Then this game would be so sick. Okay, so now the next car that we have Audi RS6 Avant. Oh, look at this! Man, this thing is also really cool. Audi RS6. Look at that. Look at the detailing because it's licensed. RS6 written right over there. Just look at, because licensed cars have a lot of detailing on them. So pretty nice, man. I have to say, well done, Driving Empire devs. You did a great job at getting a license for Audi and McLaren. They introduced the best car I liked was the R8. I mean, all the cars are great, but man, the R8, it's just another level, man. Seriously. But all the cars are really great. Also, this RS6. Let's take it for a little drive. Just so, you know what? Let's head to the dealership real quick. So, now let's head to the dealership and get the RSQ8 as well. I'm making a tough decision, guys. I'm making a really tough decision. I'm spending a lot of money, but I think it's totally worth it because if I buy this thing, I will have all the Audi cars except the Game Pass ones. So let's get it. 100 grand, 100 grand. I just oh, owned. Wow. Oh yeah, yeah, yes. I actually bought all these cars. I'm rich, guys. I'm rich. Oh man, I don't care. I'm not feeling painful of how much money I'm spending, just because these Audis look so beautiful. Man, look at this. This is like just, and let's just get in our next Audi. We have now the Audi TT RS Coupe. Look at this. This is also really nice. It looks, oh, the Audis look so good. Just look at this, guys. Look at this machine. I never thought that the Roblox game would become so advanced and introduce so many, great brands from all around the world and make them so detailed. I mean, just look at this. It has Quattro written on the grill, and the sides and the wheels also have Audi on them. I just like the detailing so much, and it looks exactly the same as the real life car. I mean, it just feels so good to have one. And yeah, man, this is cool. And look at that engine, so detailed. It has RS written on it, Audi, all the wiring, battery, and stuff, and TFSI engine. Oh, the detailing, I just really love it. So that's why Audi's introduced in Driving Empire. Great decision. I mean, really great. Otherwise, they were introducing other brands like Hennessy and Pagani and all that stuff. But that was also cool. But affordable licensed car, and that looks so detailed. Audi, totally, man, totally worth it. I spent a lot of money, but it's totally worth it. So now let's get in our next. So let's get in our Audi RSQ8, the last Audi we have. Look at this. Oh, the RSQ8, big. Sounds exactly the same as the RS6, but that's okay. Not too much of a top speed, but who cares? Just look at this. This is also really cool. Seriously. It's like this also has a lot of detailing on it. Audi RSQ8, the hood is really nice. Door, the AC vents are also there. That is so cool. Let's check out the engine real quick. The V8 is the V8 right there. So much detailing. It's written Audi RS V8 and all that stuff. You can see all the different parts. I don't really know too much about that. But man, look at this. Let's check out the interior as well, real quick. The brake pedals, you can also see the pedals RS written on there. The instrument clusters actually work. Put it in neutral. The instrument clusters work, and all the AC, ambient lighting, the sunroof also works. Really nice, really well detailed, and actually looks like I'm sitting in the real car. It's just so nice, and it's not even surprising. You guys may be thinking it's not surprising, but for a Roblox game, this is so good. I mean, Roblox, it's kind of a blocky, not too graphical on the detail, but just look at this. Very epic, guys. Very epic. I bought all the Audis just for you guys. Hit that subscribe button, man. Get the money real quick. And now the game is not over, guys. We have the McLaren 570S Coupe. Oh my god! This also perfect. I mean, seriously. Oh, it's fast. This is also really detailed, as you can see. Oh, McLaren. Just look at that finish, the paint finish. If you look at that closely, look at the matte type of glossy matte. I don't know what that is. It looks matte, but man, look at that. If you open the doors, is it the spider doors? Yep, it's the, I don't know what, wing doors, I think. Look at this. That looks so cool. And the matte finish, the paint, and all the detailing is just so like McLaren. The brake pads also have McLaren written on it. This is so cool, man. Look at the engine. What? Didn't open? Was that all that opens? I think the engine doesn't open. It's just two fans. This is the front. Roblox game, man. Seriously, Driving Empire, man. Well done. I really appreciate your hard work done on all these cars, the Audis, the McLarens. It looks so detailed. It looks like you're in some, 100, 100,000, 10,000 rupee game that you bought, such as like NFS or Gran Turismo on PS4 or PS5 or something. But this, no, this is Roblox, a free game that has Driving Empire on it, which has such detailed cars in Roblox. It just looks so unreal. But man, really love it. Really love all the design and stuff. So next McLaren we have is the McLaren 720S Coupe. This exactly looks like a real 720S, obviously. So let's just get inside. Look at this interior. Really quick as usual. It's a McLaren, man. What would you expect? So really cool. This one was as well. It looks really cool. It sounds really nice. Really detailed this one as well. I mean, like, just look at this. You'll just fall in love. Those who don't have Roblox, please download it on your computer, laptop, or whatever you have, and download this game. Earn some money. Buy all these cool cars, man. I really, McLaren, McLaren, the detail and the exact look of the 720S. Just looks really nice. The brake pads and the rims and all that stuff looks so exquisite. McLaren on the back, the exhaust tips look so good. And obviously, this side also has spider doors, I think. Yep. So, and that one as well. And yeah, so I would like to call it an end for this video, guys. And please like and subscribe if you enjoyed. I think you may have enjoyed because I spent a lot of money on these McLarens and Audis. The McLarens are obviously a little more expensive than the Audis, but I still bought McLarens and all. So please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for further updates. I will see you in the next one. Ciao.